Hi, my name is Mark Francis and I am the lab manager at DDL's Product and Materials Division, and today's video is going to be covering Astm F1306. And F1306 is a test method for slow rate penetration resistance of flexible barrier films and laminates, and you'll also find it referenced in ISO 11607-1 Annex B. This is an important test standard for packaging engineers because it allows them to understand their films, their barriers a lot better. It allows an engineer to compare A against B, and our customers actually will ask us to compare supplier 1 against supplier 2, or a sterilized versus non-sterilized film. And the test specimen is pretty straightforward. It's a 3-inch by 3-inch square, and it's penetrated by a probe, and the probe is of certain dimensions. The hemispherical end is 1/8 inch in diameter, and you'll see that it's conically shaped, and that is a 6-degree taper. What happens is we hold this film in a hole clamp that measures 1 3/8 inches in diameter, and we'll see that a little bit later. And the probe travels at 1 inch per minute and goes down, down, down until it punctures the film, and then the test is over. The test specimens themselves measure 3 inches by 3 inches square, and the test method asks that at minimum you do 5 samples per test. After the test is done, there's 3 pieces of data that come out of the test. One is force at break, the second is energy to break, and the third is probe penetration. On the x-axis, you'll see the penetration, which is how far the probe had to travel in order to break the film. And on the y-axis, you'll see force, and that's how much force it took to break the film. And when we get the area under this curve, we get work or energy. And that's the 3 sets of variables that you can compare to one another in order to quantify your films and compare A against B. So in summary, you're testing 3 by 3 square pieces of thin films, and you end up being able to compare A against B in the end, your energy to break or to puncture the film. If you have any questions, feel free to call our sales engineers, and thank you for watching.